How much do replacement windows cost? With so many styles, sizes, and materials to choose from, it can be hard to pin down the cost of a window replacement to one figure. Let's take a look at ground floor window replacements. Casement window. A UPVC casement window of 600 by 900 millimetres will cost between £150 and £350. The same size in aluminium is from £500 to £600, while timber is £800 to £950, and composite between £1,200 and £1,800. Casement window, 900 by 1,200 millimetres. Slightly increasing in size, a 900 to 1,200 millimetre UPVC casement window can cost you between £400 to £550, while aluminium of the same size will be around £650 to £800. For timber, you can expect £1,200 to £1,300 per window, and composite can command between £1,800 to £2,600 per item. Casement window, 1,200 by 1,200 millimetres. Finally, looking at the 1,200 by 1,200 millimetre option, UPVC starts at £650 and stretches to £800. Aluminium is between £750 to £1,000. Timber is £1,350 to £1,500, and composite materials can set you back by £2,600 to £3,000 per window. First or second story casement windows will have higher prices. What affects the cost of replacement windows? Buying versus fitting. You'll need to include labour for actually fitting the windows in your calculations. Sometimes your supplier will also fit windows for an extra cost. Window size and openings. In older homes, window openings may not be standard sizes, or the window opening might not be square and level, so you may need a bespoke solution. Frame colour. Colour choice is important. If you're happy with standard white, UPVC, your costs are going to be lower. Type of glazing. For most standard properties, double glazing will suffice. Type of glass. This can be standard, toughened, or obscured. Energy efficiency. Energy efficient ratings for windows range from A to A+++. The more pluses, the more expensive the windows are. Taking old windows off-site. When discussing your quote, make sure your fitters or builders are taking your old windows away, otherwise you could be left with more to pay for them to be disposed of. Scaffolding. Depending on the height of your building, you may need scaffolding to reach the windows.